Welcome back to our series on REST API. Let's talk about the Discovery API. So if you go to the front end of our website and click on the View Page Source and now search for WP-JSON, you will find the Discovery link. From the website source, you can get the REST API information. On the home page, you will see WP-JSON, which is the REST API base URL. There's also the edit URL, which is a link for XML-RPC. In the XML-RPC link, you can read all the API related information. Within the discovery link tag, you can find alternate URLs. For example, if you go to the front end and click on any single post, now here also you have to go to the view page source and search for WP-JSON. Here, you will find the base URL like before. Additionally, you will find an alternate link called the application JSON URL, which is the REST API URL for this current post. You can use this URL to fetch information about this post directly from the HTML response. Similarly, the edit URI contains all the REST API information. If you click it in the XML format, you will be able to get all the API related details. If your site supports XML-RPC, you will find it here, along with the REST API base URL to make requests. So this is how the Discovery API works, and you can find this information in the header section. Now, if authentication is required for the REST API endpoint or routes, that information may also be found in the headers. You can explore this further to get more details about Discovery and how it works. Once the API has been discovered, the next step is to check what the API allows us to do. The discovery response exposes the namespace of the API, which contains the extension to the API that are supported. This is useful for us to know the different data we can access or modify via REST APIs for a particular site. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Jai WordPress.